In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Gmail. Whether you're trying to limit distractions during work or simply want to enjoy a quiet evening, managing email notifications can significantly contribute to a calmer, more focused environment. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily adjust these settings. First and foremost, open your Gmail account on your preferred web browser. It's a good idea to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the top right corner of your Gmail window. You should see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, locate and click on See All Settings. This option will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now that you're on the settings page, look for the General tab, which is typically the first tab you'll encounter. It's within this section that we'll find the notification settings you need. Scroll down gently until you find a section labeled Desktop Notifications. In this Desktop Notifications section, you'll find a few different options. The choice you need to focus on is Mail Notifications Off. Go ahead and select this option, and what this does is effectively turn off any new email alerts popping up on your desktop. If you've previously enabled notifications in your browser settings, you might need to make a quick adjustment there as well, especially if notifications persist. Look towards your browser's preferences or settings, often found under a menu icon at the upper right. You're searching for privacy or notification settings to ensure that Gmail is not allowed to send notifications. Finally, one last tip: if you're making these changes on your mobile device, you might need to access the settings directly through the Gmail app. On the app, tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down to Settings. Based on whether you have the iOS or Android app, find Notifications and select None to mute those pop-ups. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage and reduce your email notifications, creating a more serene digital workspace. We all deserve a little peace in our busy days, and I hope you've found this guide both helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for joining today, and if you know someone who might benefit from this, feel free to share the video. Have a great day!